In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background in Microsoft Designer. By the end, you'll be able to turn any photo or logo into a clean, background-free image you can use anywhere in your designs. First, open Microsoft Designer and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're in, either create a new design or open an existing one where you'd like to place your image. Starting from a blank canvas works great if you want full control over layout and size. Next, look for the My Media option. Click it and upload the image you want to edit, whether it's a product photo, a portrait, or a logo. After it finishes uploading, drag the image onto your canvas so it's ready to work with. Take a second to fit it roughly where you want. This makes it easier to see the results clearly. Click on the image to make sure it's selected. You'll see the image toolbar appear. In that toolbar, choose Remove Background. Designer will use AI to analyze your photo and automatically detect the subject. It looks for edges, contrast, and shapes to separate the subject from the background. After a moment, you'll see the background disappear, leaving your subject isolated. If you notice the checkered pattern behind it, that indicates transparency, which is exactly what you want for layering or exporting. The better the contrast between your subject and the background, the cleaner the result tends to be, so keep that in mind when choosing images. Now that the background is gone, you can position, resize, and place your subject over any color, texture, or design you've already set up in your project. This is perfect for product mock-ups, thumbnails, marketing graphics, or collages. If you're planning to use the cutout elsewhere, it's a good idea to zoom in and quickly check the edges. Wispy hair or complex shapes may vary depending on the original photo quality. When you're ready to export, click Download. If you need the transparent background preserved, choose Make Background Transparent and save as a PNG. PNG supports transparency. Formats like JPEG do not. Saving a transparent PNG makes it easy to reuse your cutout across other apps or future designer projects without redoing the work. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've removed the background and created a versatile, clean subject you can drop onto any background or use anywhere in your design. Keep experimenting with different images, and you'll quickly get a feel for which photos produce the sharpest results.